ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. A very delightful morning to one and all. Respected Shri Vishneshwar Mohanty sir, Chairman of ABPS and ABHSS. Shri Ruchir Mehta sir, FHHR PNA. Other FHS, principals of both the schools and dear colleagues. It's an immense pleasure to welcome you all to this very special occasion of the Teachers' Day. There is a great reason behind the celebration of Teachers' Day on 5th of September. Actually, this day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, former President of India, an eminent scholar, a renowned philosopher, and importantly, a teacher. Teachers' Day is celebrated as a tribute to the valuable contribution made by the teachers to the society by imparting knowledge and enlightening and shaping the career of students. To mark the beginning of the celebration, I would like to invite principals of both the schools, Madam Sushma Sharma and Shri R.K. Nayak sir, to please offer a floral tribute to the portraits of the goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, and Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma mrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma mrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma mrutangamaya.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. It's the Indian culture that invokes the presiding deity before we begin something auspicious. Ma Saraswati is reckoned as the goddess of learning and wisdom. So here we have Mr. Vibhas Vaishnav and Mr. Chunilal Kohli invoking the grace of the Divine Mother by their melodious rendition of the Saraswati Vandana.
शारदे मां कल्याणी जय शारदे मां कल्याणी भवभय हारिणी दुःख हरिणी भवभय हारिणी दुःख हरिणी जय शारदे मां कल्याणी जय शारदे मां पद्मासना वीणावाणी वीणावाणी निर्मल रूपा मां कल्याणी विद्या बुद्धि नदायिनी दुःख हरिणी जय शारदे मां कल्याणी जय शारदे मां गणसा सा गणसा सारे 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 गम मंगल सानी सा जय शारदे मां कल्याणी जय शारदे मां चरण कमल की करु वंदना जीवन की हो सफल वादना तू सुख समृद्धि दायिनी दुःख हरिणी जय शारदे मां कल्याणी जय शारदे मां ज्ञान चंद्र सूर्य नवलय नवरत वीणावाणी ज्योतिर्मय जग हरे त्रास फिर सुरमणि दुःख हरिणी जय शारदे मां कल्याणी जय शारदे मां कल्याणी भवभय हारिणी दुःख हरिणी भवभय हारिणी दुःख हरिणी जय शारदे मां कल्याणी जय शारदे जय शारदे जय शारदे.
Thank you so much, friends. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए. True, very true. It's the guru, the teacher who enjoys a higher pedestal than God, because it's this guru who introduces a child to God. Since time immemorial, India has always held the gurus in high esteem and bowed before them. What could be more opportune time to pay our homage to these gurus on this August day that is dedicated to them? We have Mr. Dharmendra Singh Rathod and Mr. Sunil Sharma paying their rich tributes in the form of Guru Vandana.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वराय गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वराय गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः।
वंदना करते हृदय से पूज्य गुरु हम आपकी अर्चना करते हृदय से पूज्य गुरु हम आपकी वंदना करते हृदय से पूज्य गुरु हम आपकी दे हमें संस्कार जीवन को बढ़ाया आपने आज जो भी है वो सब कुछ सच दया है आपकी वंदना करते हृदय से पूज्य गुरु हम आपकी प्रार्थना यह है हमारी हम सदा चारी बने धर्म रक्षक कर्मकारी वीर व्रतधारी बने वंदना करते हृदय से पूज्य गुरु हम आपकी अर्चना करते हृदय से पूज्य गुरु हम आपकी पूज्य गुरु हम आपकी पूज्य गुरु हम आपकी।
Thank you so much for a melodious performance. Teachers are, of course, like a candle. They are the backbone of any country. With the same feeling, our senior management not just only values our knowledge but also our intellectual capital and also nurtures it with a perfect blend of traditional as well as contemporary ways. So, I would like to request Sri Shailendra Pandey sir, FH Technical and TPP, to share his thoughts.
Greetings on the occasion of Teachers' Day. It is indeed a matter of pride and joy for me to have the opportunity to congratulate the teaching faculty. First of all, I would like to congratulate Nayak sir and his team at ABPS and Susma ma'am and her team at ABHSS for excellent result and wonderful execution of virtual learning. This year has been extraordinary and the teaching faculty has displayed utmost dedication and commitment to the cause of teaching. The pandemic has definitely disturbed the usual place of teaching, but still the teaching faculty has made sure that no one is left behind. The teachers have graciously stood against the odds by continuing education uninterrupted through virtual mode. Hardworking teachers and non-teaching staff led by you have done a commendable work. This resounding success is testimony of the dedication and commitment of the whole teaching fraternity. The role played by teachers in the formation of child cannot be sufficed by the world. The bond that particular teacher shares with the child has an everlasting impact on that child. In a mechanistic world, outside the safe hands of family, it is the school and teaching faculty which provides humanistic touch to children. I wish all the teachers a very best in the pursuit of imparting knowledge and express my heartfelt gratitude for their contribution. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now, I would like to invite Shri Deepak Mahule, sir, FH Mines, to address us.
Good morning to all and happy Teachers' Day to all. Every stage of our life is accommodated with a teacher. When we are born, our parents are our first teachers, followed by our family, school teachers, friends, and even boss also. The journey of learning that one starts never ends. Life gives even beautiful moments when we ourselves become teacher, and it's a very pride moment when someone learns from us. So I take that pride that I am also a teacher now. And as it is said, if one has to choose between teacher and God, the teacher secures the highest level of position, prestigious place in our life. I'd say hats off to all teachers who share their knowledge. Their knowledge grows day by day, moment by moment, and hence it never ends. We never forget our teachers, no matter where we are or might be one day. All the credit goes to all teachers who mentored us every stage of life. Happy Teachers' Day to all, I'll say. But one thing I still remember that last 2 years we have celebrated Teachers' Day very proudly, and there was our contribution that we sang a song for all teachers. But this time we'll not do that. We'll virtually celebrate the Teachers' Day, and I take pride in wishing you all the best for the Teacher Day celebration, and happy Teachers' Day once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for this noble gesture. I would like to take this opportunity to call upon Shri Avinash Chaudhary, sir, FH, FNC, to enlighten us with his thoughts.
My dear teachers, a very good morning to you all. On this auspicious day, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. In an individual's life, next to the parents, teachers are the one who inculcate values in them and which guides them throughout their life in their to follow these values. The teachings given by you all gets imbibed in the minds of pupils and enlighten their journey of life, facilitating them to take right decisions. You have always been an inspiration and motivation to your students. From my own experience, I can only relate that the teachings of my teachers has been helping me right throughout my journey of life and giving me strength during critical phases of life. We all should be thankful to the teachers fraternity across who has been shaping the individuals and their careers. This is also getting displayed in the academic results as well as the extracurricular activities where the performance of both of our schools is quite encouraging. So I thank you all for making difference in the life of those whom you touch with your teaching. I once again like to congratulate and compliment you all on the birth anniversary of our Honorable President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, whose birth anniversary celebrated as Teachers' Day, and wish you a bright future for yourself as well as your students in the years to come. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your words of inspiration. Now it's time to request respected Shri Ruchir Mehta, sir, FH HR PNA, Secretary of both the schools management committee, to address all of us with his valuable words.
Hi, good morning everybody. Welcome to this auspicious day we known as Teachers' Day. Respected principal, teachers, staff of Aditya Birla Public School, Aditya Birla Higher Secondary School. Today is an auspicious day where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who mold the students into future leaders. The day is known as Teachers' Day, which is celebrated as birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second president of independent India, who himself was a great teacher, a philosopher and educationist. You know, when we were young, so we always used to think what is the role of a teacher in our life. But when we are at this stage, we see their role as a very important, as a mentor, as a person who has molded our life, and we are, whatever we are in the life, we owe to them. A teacher is one who promotes the growth of society. A teacher enhances the capability of all over world by installing knowledge of youth. So celebrating this day is a day of joy and happiness. It is a day of honor and a day of joy for everyone who wants to say hats off for the service rendered by each teacher. Yes, by each teacher. You know, while we fight this pandemic, we also know the role of teacher in helping us to fight this pandemic. We cannot meet physically, the students cannot go physically, but yes, virtually they are well connected with their teachers. They are doing their part which they are supposed to do in helping a young mind to become a good citizen of India. So let us march forward by paying heed to these guidelines given by a teacher and shape our lives. Let us march forward by applying all of our theories given by our teachers in our day-to-day life and enjoy the fruits reaped by us. Let us march forward to redesign our life spiritually, mentally and physically and psychologically. So wish you all the very best, and I by through this message of mine, I once again thank all respected teachers, staff and principal for their great contribution in our life. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. I feel honored to invite now Honorable Shri Vijneshwar Mahanti, sir, Chairperson of both the schools and Joint Executive President Vikram Cement Works, for his keynote address.
My greetings to all respected teachers. Today is a very memorable day for all of us. We are celebrating Teachers' Day, which is also birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great philosopher, teacher and statesman. All of us have been students someday, and we have been immensely benefited from our teachers. They have played major role in shaping us. We are what we are today because of our teachers, our gurus. This day reminds us our journey of education, which started from our parents and culminated with our teachers and our gurus, who was given their guidance, values, and who have really nurtured us. Teachers plant seed of knowledge and sprinkles them with love and patiently nurtures the dream of tomorrows. The gurus and disciples, they share a very unique bond, a unconditional love and trust. I am really proud of our Aditya Birla teachers for their outstanding contribution to nurture our children and help them in excel in all fields. I must congratulate our teachers for excellent performance of our students in school board exam. Now it is a very unprecedented time. Corona pandemic has really changed all our lives. Never before we have seen or experienced lockdown of such massive scale or magnitude in our life. Teaching profession has been no doubt at the forefront in adapting to this change. I must compliment the roles of our Aditya Birla school teachers in creating a vibrant environment for continuous learning of our children. Despite numerous obstacles, network issues, our teachers have been working very hard to reach out students to impart education. Today, I request all my respected teachers to be more innovative, to learn new skills, adapt to new situation, be digital savvy, be tech savvy, and revolutionize teaching concepts so that you can inspire and influence young minds. Let's be a lifelong student or a lifelong teacher. We are two sides of a coin, and that's the way we learn and grow, and we shape future generations. Today, I remember all my teachers, and I express my gratitude and my respect to all the teachers by paying respect to all you teachers. Thank you very much. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much, sir. Your valuable words will lead us to move ahead. Dear colleagues, all of us know how hard the whole world has been hit by this COVID-19 pandemic. The entire world seems to have been smitten to a death-like lull and silence. But we, the teachers, are working day in and day out to keep the lamp of learning glow. And it is this feeling, it is this sense of service that we are regarded Corona warriors. Yes, we know that the times are hard and difficult, but Our spirit is not going to be dominated by whatever may be the situations. We have a lot fortitude and faith in our God, that this faith shall pass with God beside us and with our loving children. God is greater than this calamitous situation, and we wind up our virtual celebration of the Teachers' Day. Please watch a dance performance, and I request all of you to listen to the song that accompanies the performance.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उसके रहते हर गिज हुआ पड़ा है। कभी हार ना हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, कभी हार ना हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है। हे मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
Thank you. Now, before I take leave, on behalf of the principals of both the schools, Ms. Sushma Sharma and Mr. R.K. Nair, I wish all our teachers a very happy and joyous Teachers' Day. Please keep on doing the good work you have been doing. Thank you one and all.